is the Queen family's message. This is a Jamaican.
I believe this is the place. Hey, how's it going? I'm looking for Serena.
This is me.
Yeah, I have a phone repair for you guys.
Oh yeah, I called for you. Come on in. Okay, here is the phone. You see what happened here? Here it got damaged. So
Got
this
it.
needs to be fixed.
Don't worry
If you
about
can
it.
fix the screen.
Can I use the table right here? Work
Sure,
over here?
you can sit down.
Okay, that's a good sign.
Hey, how is it going?
Good, good, good. How are
Would
you?
you like something to drink?
No, thank you. Thank you very much, though. Yeah. Miss, your phone is ready. Let me see how it looks.
Oh, thank you. You fixed it, huh?
Yeah, no problem.
Oh,
And
wow.
also, I want to give you this free screen protector.
Really?
Yeah,
It's free?
absolutely.
Oh,
Thank you very much.
Thank